morning time and I'm just on my way to work, running to work through the little forest near my house first, so making the loop a little bit longer. I think it's around, when I looked at our thermometer on our balcony this morning, it's about minus 20 degrees Celsius. So, no fun of the day to go for a run. Let's see if GoPro's battery withstands it well. My fingers are getting cold already. Any of you wondering what is probably a good idea to wear when it's minus 20 degrees and you're running? Shoes always helps. Actually, I've only got one pair of socks on. I've got running leggings underneath, and then I've got these waterproof Solomon leggings or trousers on. They just act as a good wind barrier. Then one set of gloves, really important in winter running, ones with mitten parts, because the closer your fingers are together, the warmer they are. Then 2 Sunto watches, that's because I'm just testing one. Then 1 base layer, 1 mid layer, and then I've got my waterproof jacket on. Waterproof jacket just because it's a nice windbreaker and it's quite comfy as well. Then my running vest, just with my clothes to work as well. Yeah, and that's it. So obviously 1 buff, a nice long one. I've got a spare one here just in case, and a hat. It's quite funny, you see kids walking around here to school and they're walking with no hat, no buff, jacket unzipped. What the hell? But kids will be kids, and adults will be adults running to work when it's minus 20. But yeah, so that's what I wear when I run to work, or run when it's like minus 20 degrees. GoPro seems to be handling quite well, actually. Famous last words maybe, but no, well done. Kudos to GoPro. Anyway, so I was just going to say, the thing is when you're running and it's so cold like this, is you just got to be careful. You can feel tempted, like I have in the past, to run faster, obviously to warm yourself up, but and then you've got to be able to constantly keep that pace, because obviously the hotter you get, the more you're going to sweat, and especially in these windproof clothing sort of items, water, it just gets retained, all that moisture. So you slow down and then you start to feel real cold. So just keep a easy enough pace, but not too slow, obviously, and that's what I think is the best. Go too fast and you slow down at all or stop anywhere, you get cold quick. That was fun. Right, thanks for joining along on this cold weather tips run. One thing I would add is if you've got any one thing I'd add is if you've got any electronics like your phone or your GoPro or something, try and keep it as close to your body, because that's where all the heat is. So keeping your phone close to your body, hopefully your battery. So I'm just done running home. Actually, I had 2 more points. I thought I was done with all my tips, but one of them is also, of course, enjoy it. You know, you've got to go out and enjoy these moments. That's why we run, and that's, you know, keeping motivated to do running all the time is about running out in different environments, because you get different experiences from it. You know, running in the snow is completely different from the rain, from in the summer sun. So just enjoy every single moment that you get and the possibility to do it in a different way. Then the other point is just go out and run, because if you feel it's too cold or something, if you don't go out and try it, you're never going to succeed at doing it. Yeah, the first few times you might be completely underdressed, you might have too many clothes on, or you might have the wrong type of gloves on, blah blah blah. So many different possibilities. We've all done it, we've all been there, we all started from somewhere where we did something wrong or right, and that's how you're going to get comfortable with it. Just go out and try. If it's wrong and you have to turn back, so be it. There's always another chance. So that's the key, one of the key points. Just go out and try, and you'll be succeeding at just doing that.